Good day, everyone. My name is Arslan, and welcome to the third dimension. Today we have a different sort of video. Recently, we have had a client who approached us regarding a room renovation project. So he told us to send him a bunch of proposals or quotations for floor designs. All right. So floor designs is what his main aim was. He wanted different proposals. So proposals that I've sent him, I thought I'd make a video on this so that you guys could also learn something from it. You could maybe also implement those ideas in your own projects. And when it comes to floor designs, we have three different types of materials. All right, we have the UPVC panels, the UPVC floor panels, which are unplasticized polyvinyl chloride, which is actually the newer, or you could say the environmentally friendly version of PVC. All right, UPVC. That's the new generation of PVC materials. And then we have the classic tiles and the marble. All right, so these are three different materials when it comes to flooring, which we usually have in the construction industry where I'm located, right? So it's either UPVC floors, tiles, or marbles. So these are the 15 different proposals that I've sent him, and this is our main floor plan. So as you guys can see, this is the main entrance of his master bedroom, and we have a cupboard on this side. We have a study table and a lamp and a chair on that side, and we have a separate door for our washroom, or you could say the shower room, or the wet area of our floor plan. All right, let's call it the wet area. Anything that's wet is going to happen inside the space, and this is the dry space, and this is the wet space. Inside that wet space, we have a sink, we have the main flush, and then we have this standing shower section, and we have another section, and we have this sort of a tub on the side, and I've separated both of them. So let's see what the client what his response is. And when it comes to the floor designs, so I've compiled about 15 different floor designs, and this is what I've sent him. So let's go to a rendered view, and this is a rendered view of our project, of the proposal that I've sent him. And as you guys can see, we have a 4 feet cantilevered balcony with these chairs and everything. We have this modern wooden door, and then this is our main bedroom, and this is the first proposal I have. All right, which is this black and white striped sort of a design that we have, and then we have the main study room and the washroom. So this video is sort of an internal design, or you could say internal decor video, in which I'm going to compile all the proposals that I've sent to my client, and let's see what his response is. So for the washroom, as you can see, I've chosen a red theme, or a red background color, and then outside the room we have a white hair, and we have this sort of this brownish goldenish type of a color on this side, which in a way would match the furniture. So let's see what the response from the client is. But I wanted to make a video on all the proposals and all the internal decor ideas that I've sent him, and I hope you guys are going to learn something from this video and maybe implement these ideas in your projects also. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm gonna put all my proposals, all my rendered images after this. So stay tuned and check the proposals out. And guys, there are two rendered images, all right, for every internal floor design proposal. Okay, so one is the morning view, and one is the nighttime rendered image, right? So we have two images for every proposal.